hexagon.
Uh-huh.
So I put the speed 0 or 5.
Okay.
And then like 4 in range is like the loop, and then 6 is the times I did it, since the hexagon has like 6 sides.
Wow.
So I did forward, he goes forward, then he goes left, and then he keeps repeating that, like forward, left, forward, left.
So what is that repeat called in coding? What do we call that concept?
Loop.
Very good. So you're learning loops, right? And this,
Yeah.
by using the loop concept, you're able to build a hexagon just by coding lines, right?
Yeah, like 2 lines.
2 lines, you got that. That's amazing, right? That's very concise code.
Yeah.
Can you run it one more time for me, please, so people can
Okay.
see? Good job. Thank you.
Welcome.